How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. What you're gonna be tackling today is the fact that the car is still bricked, so the fact that it don't got brakes. But that's not the point of this video. Today's video is going to be about, so you guys remember previous video I showed you guys that we got Medusa headers. Obviously I did not buy them brand new, I bought them used, hence why they look like that. So that's why I went to the store, got some of this and this. So we are going to be wrapping the headers today with some exhaust wrap and clean them up as well, because either way I know since I'm gonna be wrapping them, I don't really need to clean them up, but I'll know that they're clean. So that's kind of the whole purpose of why I'm cleaning them. The car is going to be going to the shop today just to get some quick things done, get this car out of here, so that way we can start wrapping the headers with exhaust wrap and clean them up a bit and everything and get them nice and clean, so that way when we install them onto the car they're nice and perfect. So let's get to it. So now the Sentra is fully gone. It is being taken care of at a shop right now. They're doing some stuff. While that is getting done, we are going to be working on these, the Medusa, I believe these are the V1s. I'm not 100% sure. I think these are V1s or V2s. But yes, so we're gonna be cleaning them up because you could tell that these are things have been through better days. So clean them up nice and good. Make sure to get all this rust off of them and then wrap them in the heat tape or heat wrap or whatever you want to call that. And get them ready so that once the Sentra's back, and I ordered the slim fans, because you do need slim fans and the alternator bracket in order to install these. So once I order all that, then these will be slapped into the Sentra. But I just want something to do today. I mean, obviously it's not something necessary to do right now. I'm just bored. So we're gonna clean them inside, use some water, and use, where did it go? Oh, yeah. Use some of this and the sponges to clean them. I think it'd just be easier inside, or just do it in the tub. I don't even have a tub, it's a stand-up shower. You get the point. We're inside the apartment now. We are going to be cleaning up now. So hopefully we go from this to something nicer. We are going to be hitting it with this and some of this soft cleaner, and then hopefully they do look a little bit better than this. And if it doesn't look good, then either way, like I said, we are wrapping them in some heat wrap, so it doesn't really matter. So we're gonna go from this. It's way better, honestly. What do you guys think? Give a thumbs up if you guys think it looks way better. In my opinion, it does. So now we are going back into the garage. I'm going to start to wrap it. And way before we get started with wrapping the exhaust, go hit that subscribe button and like button and hit that notification bell so you know exactly when we post a new video. We almost hit 200 subscribers today, and let me see who are our new subscribers, and I'll put them on the screen as well for you guys to see, and so you guys know that I do take in mind who's subscribing. I know sometimes I get subscribers and it doesn't show their name, but there is some that we can see their name. So we have the most 4 days ago, it was Ramirez, Alberto, we have Jesus, and we have Oscar. And then we also have a few comments, and I always respond to all the comments right away. I'm always on my phone making sure that if somebody comments, I comment back to them, I respond, and I talk to you guys. And I really appreciate you guys subscribing and watching our content. And I saw that one comment that said finally a recent B15 YouTuber. And yeah, this YouTube channel is going to be based off of our B15s. Obviously we're going to get other cars, we're going to build other cars, but right now it's the B15, and the B15 is the main one. So now let's get to wrapping. In the garage now, we're going to be wrapping the headers. Like I told you guys, these headers are amazing, but they sit way too close to the alternator, And the radiator, that's why you need to buy the slim fans, and you need to get the alternator bracket. Basically that extends the alternator a little bit more out. And then that's why I also got the SC Concepts heat shield for the alternator, so that way when I get this, it would be easier to not have more things break down, aka the alternator. That's the reason why the alternator breaks down, because of the overheating of the headers. So that's why we're going to be wrapping them in this titanium exhaust rail. Give me 1 second because my mom is calling me. Alright, so here's the wrap. So now the way that I'm going to be wrapping it is lapping it around. I know some people say just to get the wrap wet, but this one is not fiberglass, it's titanium or something like that. I forgot what it is. But basically I don't need to get it wet. It's flexible enough to get nice and tight. So I'm just going to measure out how many laps I'm going to be doing. Obviously, I don't know if you guys can see. Obviously at this point right here, I'm not going to be wrapping every single one of them individually because I can't. I'm going to stop right here, and then this is going to be wrapped completely together. Same thing for the rest. This is all going to be wrapped, and then this is going to be wrapped together. So let me figure out how many lengths is this right here, and then figure out how many lengths for this and this and this, and then we'll wrap this, and we'll wrap it all the way down to here, and then that's where we'll cut it.
A few minutes later.
Progress on the header. So the kit that I bought didn't come with the metal zip ties. So I'm putting regular zip ties for now. I have to go to the parts store and get some. But I mean, look at it. It's coming out pretty good. I already have 1, 2, 3. We just need the middle one, which is gonna be pretty hard, just because of the fact that there's literally no space oh, this is not space. And then wrap this one, then we wrap the middle, and then we wrap the bottom, and then back from the parts store. Now these are the ties that I needed to lock it in. You know, I'm not gonna lock one right now because then, you know, I wasted one for nothing. So what I'm going to do is lock all the ties, lock everything up, make sure everything's nice and tight, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Already finished the header. I just need to cut all the access and everything that, you know, like the Medusa and all these little strings from it. But it looks pretty good. Let me show you guys. So we already got the tie downs. Everything's nice and tight. It's looking pretty good. Over here, all this is tight. Like, it's not loose. It's just that since it's a header that's from 4 to 1, it is pretty thick. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much done and it looks really good. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty amazing. But that's where we're gonna end the video today. So we just need to wait for the fans to come in from 2JRACING and the alternator bracket, so that way we can install the header onto the B15, and from there then we'll, you know, continue on to with whatever we have next. So thanks so much for watching. If you guys do like the video, go hit that subscribe button, go hit that like button and notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.